Why do HIIT for weight loss? Okay, so you have probably heard that HIIT is great for weight loss. Or you have been given HIIT workouts to complete from a personal trainer to help you lose weight and you are wondering why. So let me give you two key reasons right now. The first and the main reason is that HIIT workouts burn off a lot of calories really quickly, which is obviously beneficial for weight loss because it will help you to create the calorie deficit that you require to lose weight. In fact, when looking at the speed with which you burn off calories, according to research published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, HIIT burns 25 to 30% more calories than resistance training, cycling, and treadmill running in the same amount of time. Now, not only do you burn off more calories in a shorter time frame, you will also achieve the same results, if not better results, from a short and sharp HIIT workout than you would completing longer, low intensity or medium intensity workouts. Therefore, if you are short on time, and let's face it, who isn't, or you really want to exercise as efficiently as possible, then HIIT workouts are perfect for you, especially if you want to lose weight. So that is the first reason. The second reason is that you will continue burning off calories after your HIIT workout. This is due to EPOC, which stands for excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, whereby you will continue burning off an increased amount of calories for the first few hours after your workout, which once again helps you to create the calorie deficit that you require to lose weight. So these are the two main reasons why you should do HIIT if your goal is to lose weight. An incredible calorie burn during your workout and an awesome afterburn effect after your workout, with both playing an important role in increasing your daily calorie expenditure and thereby helping you to create the calorie deficit that you require to lose weight. So if your goal is to lose weight, you should definitely incorporate HIIT into your weekly exercise routine. So there you have it. That is my answer for today's question. I really hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. And last but not least, if you want to take out all of the guesswork and have exercise programs, meal plans and recipes to follow, make sure you come to philhartson.com and you will find everything you need to achieve your health and fitness goals. So thank you for watching and see you soon.